To successfully upload photos from a computer database, several steps should be considered. Firstly, selecting an appropriate photo sharing service is essential. Several options exist, each with its own set of features and benefits. Flickr is a popular choice, especially for those seeking unlimited photo storage within a free tier. Google Photos offers free storage as well, but it's important to understand the implications for high quality versus original size uploads. SmugMug stands out as a paid service that provides unlimited storage alongside a range of professional-grade features for photographers and enthusiasts who need more control and options. Secondly, account creation is a straightforward process. Navigate to the website of the chosen servers and follow their sign-up procedure. Thirdly, pre-upload organization is crucial. Before starting the upload process, take time to organize the photos into folders or albums. This can be based on categories, dates, themes, or any other logical structure that makes it easier to manage and find specific images later on. Fourthly, the photo uploading process itself usually offers multiple methods. Drag and drop functionality is a common feature, allowing direct transfer of photos from computer folders into the upload window. Alternatively, most services provide an upload or add photos button that opens a file browser, enabling navigation to the location of the photos in the computer and selection of the desired images. Fifthly, privacy settings are an important consideration. After photos are uploaded, determine the appropriate privacy settings for each image. The options typically include making photos public, private, or visible only to specific people or groups. Sixthly, captions and tags enhance discoverability. Add descriptive captions and relevant tags to each photo to provide context and improve searchability. This helps others find the photos and provides more information about the content. Seventhly, sharing the photos with others is the ultimate goal. Once photos are uploaded, organized, and privacy settings are configured, they can be shared through various means. This might involve generating a direct link to the photo or album, embedding the images on websites or blogs, or sharing them on social media platforms. Several tips can lead to more successful uploading. Ensure the photos meet the requirements set by the service by checking file size limits, because most services have limits on the maximum file size. Ensure the use of common image formats such as Joint Photographic Experts Group, Portable Network Graphics, and Tagged Image File Format because most services support them. Optimize the photos by resizing and compressing them before uploading to reduce file size without significantly compromising quality. Consider an ideal image resolution for online sharing, which typically falls between 1280x720 and 1920x and 80 pixels. Establish and maintain consistent naming conventions for the photo files using descriptive file names that incorporate relevant keywords. Consider resolution. Online sharing benefits from resolutions typically between 1280x720 and 1920x and 80 pixels. Consistent naming conventions involve descriptive file names with keywords for better searchability and organization. Choosing the right platform depends on individual needs. Flickr appeals with its free storage option, while Google Photos offers seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. SmugMug provides a premium experience with professional features. Organizing photos before uploading saves time and frustration later. Folders and albums based on categories, dates, or themes can greatly improve manageability. Privacy settings give control over who can view the photos. Public visibility allows anyone to see the photos, while private settings restrict access to only the uploader. Sharing links and embedding options enable widespread distribution. Photos can be easily shared on social media, websites, and blogs. Understanding file size limits is crucial to avoid upload errors. Check the service's guidelines before uploading large files. Compressing photos reduces their file size without sacrificing too much quality. This speeds up the upload process and saves storage space. Image resolution impacts the visual quality of the photos. Higher resolutions provide more detail but also result in larger file sizes. Consistent naming conventions make it easier to find and manage photos. Descriptive file names with relevant keywords improve searchability. Experiment with different settings and features to find what works best. Each photo sharing service has its own unique set of tools and options. Explore these features to customize the photo sharing experience. Effective photo uploading involves careful planning and execution. By following these steps, the process can be streamlined and the photos can be shared with the world. Photo sharing services are constantly evolving with new features and functionalities. Keep up with the latest trends to maximize the photo sharing experience. Optimize the photos for online viewing to ensure they look their best on different devices. Adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness to enhance the visual appeal. Consider using a photo editing software to enhance the photos before uploading. This can improve the overall quality and impact. Back up the photos regularly to prevent data loss. Use cloud storage or external hard drives to protect the valuable memories. Remember to respect copyright laws and obtain permission before sharing photos of others. This protects the rights of the photographers and subjects. Engage with the audience by responding to comments and feedback. This fosters a sense of community and encourages further interaction. Promote the photos on social media to reach a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to increase visibility. Consider creating a portfolio website to showcase the best photos. This can be a great way to attract potential clients or collaborators. Experiment with different styles and techniques to develop a unique photographic style. This sets the photos apart from the competition and creates a personal brand. Join online photography communities to learn from other photographers and share the work. This can provide valuable feedback and inspiration. Attend photography workshops and seminars to improve the skills and knowledge. This can help stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques. Invest in high-quality photography equipment to capture the best possible images. This can make a significant difference in the overall quality of the photos. Practice regularly to hone the skills and develop a unique photographic style. This is the key to becoming a successful photographer. Stay patient and persistent because it takes time to build a strong portfolio and a loyal following. The rewards of sharing the photos with the world are well worth the effort. Remember that photo uploading is just the beginning of the journey. The real fun comes from sharing and connecting with others through the images. With a little effort and creativity, anyone can become a successful photo uploader. Start exploring the world of photo sharing today and discover the endless possibilities. Photo uploading is a valuable skill in today's digital age. It allows to share memories, connect with others, and express creativity. Embrace the power of photo uploading and make the most of it. Be sure to back up photos. Photo sharing is a rewarding experience that enriches the lives of both the uploader and the viewer.